US Mobile eSIM activation lets you get cellular service without a physical SIM. You'll typically scan a QR code, verify your phone's IMEI, and download an eSIM profile. Errors often occur with QR code scanning, IMEI mismatches, or profile download failures, especially on iPhones, XS and later, and Android phones like Google Pixel 4 and newer. These errors often manifest as QR code invalid or profile download failed messages. As of September 2025, most issues can be resolved by following US Mobile's troubleshooting guides. Make sure your device is unlocked and updated to the latest OS and that you have a stable internet connection. As of 2025, over 50% of new smartphones now support eSIM. If your QR code isn't working, make sure it hasn't expired. They're typically valid for 7 days, and you're scanning it on a compatible device. For IMEI issues, double-check that you've entered it correctly. If you have a dual SIM phone like iPhone 13 Plus, make sure the eSIM is assigned to the correct slot in your settings. Here's how the cellular settings page looks on an iPhone, where you can manage SIM slots and data usage. For profile download failures, ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Toggling airplane mode on and off can sometimes help resolve connectivity issues. This shows the settings page, where you can find airplane mode and other connectivity options to toggle. If problems persist, contact US Mobile support. Many users report successful resolutions through their chat support. In 2025, US Mobile reports an 85% activation success rate, with the other 15% usually resolved within 24 hours via support chat. Also, make sure you are in a US Mobile coverage area. Check their coverage map before attempting activation.